From rough, uncut stones to dazzling works of art, from the craftsmanship of ateliers to the trailblazing spirit of young leaders. In May 2026, GemGenève celebrates its 10th edition, a landmark milestone. Since its founding, GemGenève has established itself as both a world-class trading fair and a platform for exchange and dialogue. Through year-round co-creation initiatives with partners across various fields, the fair focuses on the transmission of know-how and the sharing of expertise, safeguarding some of the most precious chapters of human creativity.
The link between this year's theme of GemGenève and also the Grand Théâtre is to show the crafts. An opera is a total piece of art, and it's to show the know-how of the different ateliers that we have in the house and the excellence that goes into the opera.
Founded in 1879, the Geneva Opera House is the largest performing arts venue in Switzerland. On its stage, music, dance, and magic unite to form a complete work of art. Inspired by this, artisans create jewelry and costumes that tell a story.
En fait, dans nos ateliers, on a 25 personnes qui viennent travailler et puis ça va se passer de main en main. Et donc, ici, se sont inspirés justement de cela, des boîtes à œufs, que lorsque l'on retourne, on retrouve justement cette structure à l'intérieur. Pour cette production, ils se sont inspirés justement de la dramaturgie de Castor et Pollux, qui sont deux frères jumeaux qui seraient nés du même œuf.
The Geneva Opera House has also collaborated each year with the Geneva University of Art and Design, inviting students to create stage jewelry inspired by the performances. This year, centered around the production An American in Paris, GemGenève invited students to create a collection of brooches.
This staircase is like a promise to a future. You can pin it just up so that it moves with the movement of the body. Costume jewelry, you can use more common material like plexiglass, brass, so we could choose every material that we wanted. Different style of brooch, different attach. It's really we went in the direction that more suited to us. I really like the fact that it's exposed here in GemGenève. I came 4 years ago, and it's in GemGenève that I discovered head.
More than a trading fair, GemGenève offers an opportunity to enter the industry. For 5 consecutive years, Donna Jewel, an Italian jewelry community, has partnered with the fair to bring the works of young Italian goldsmiths to the international stage.
So all pieces you will see are inspired to Italian culture, Italian roots, heritage, and beauty. There's a lot of culture behind this piece, and as you can see inside each triangle, which represents the Italian region, there is a different goldsmith technique. Here you see micro-mosaic, but you can also see fire enamel. And each pendant actually is a symbol of Italy, and you can really put it inside each triangle and close it, so it becomes really a jewel that you can put on your table. I art direct this project with big honor by the side of GemGenève, who truly believes in the young generation. This is very important because send a message. Dreams of the young people of today will be the dreams of the leaders of tomorrow.
In 2020, Christine Horowitz established a foundation aimed at supporting newcomers to the industry. Each year, the foundation presents an award at GemGenève, offering winners mentorship and internship opportunities.
My late husband was very passionate about craftsmanship, history, and antique jewelry, and he explained very often to young people what the trade is all about from this respect. And then when he passed away, I decided to create a foundation in his name to continue his mission to educate young people in order to make sure that this precious craftsmanship, the knowledge of it, doesn't disappear.
It was through this very opportunity that independent gem cutter Hugo Massey launched his professional career.
La pierre qui m'a été donnée est une aigue marine froide, très froide, qui représentait tous les mauvais côtés des souvenirs qu'on a eus pendant cette année 2020. Je l'ai copié et refait en or 18 carats pour montrer les côtés chauds qui sont beaucoup plus importants et doux dans cette année.
This highly personal piece earned him the inaugural grand prize in 2021, and through it, he met Emmanuel Pyatt, a revered figure in the European gemstone trade. Today, Hugo has joined Pyatt's prestigious atelier, where he dedicates himself to gemstone cutting. For emerging professionals, this is the first step toward building a career. For visitors, it is an unmissable annual opportunity to experience the beauty of detail and the warmth of history, things that cannot be conveyed online.
Je suis gémologue aussi, mais avant tout collectionneur ici pour présenter, pour montrer quelques livres historiques rares ou curieux, où voilà, on peut découvrir des informations qu'on ne trouve pas forcément dans les livres modernes, et donc tout l'intérêt aussi, puis d'être en contact direct avec l'objet, avec l'histoire.
Un bijou n'est pas seulement une pierre de valeur, n'est pas seulement un objet que l'on achète, c'est aussi un témoin d'une époque. On vient se cultiver ici, on vient apprendre, on ne vient pas seulement acheter. C'est la grande différence avec l'unicité, c'est ce qui fait l'unicité de ce salon, je pense.
At GemGenève, professionals from all walks of life come together to help people understand gemstones, enhance the value of jewelry, and master the art of jewelry creation and restoration. Across 10 editions, knowledge sharing, education, and passion have remained at the core.